birds. There has to be, I don't know, what, 5,000 birds or more? Wait until I pulled in. Now they went up the hill a little bit. They're coming in flocks. Watch this. Oh, why not that skittish? Holy cow. Look over here. Oh my gosh, they're over the backyard too. It's like complete. Holy crap! Mom, you're gonna die when you see this video. Okay, I gotta get out of the car. Hold on. Holy! They just keep coming. I don't know if you can see in the video how. Oh, holy cow! They're on every single treetop over here. Still on the move here. Fantastic. I don't know if you can hear it, but the sound is crazy. Oh man. I wonder if they'll attack me if I try walking out here.